Introducing the GearForce Hard Lid to suit the Mitsubishi Triton. Built for the real world, where your gear needs to stay dry and secure. Ready for work. Engineered for everyday ute owners who want something simple, durable and built to last. Today's ute owners, tireless adventurers and hard-working tradies are frustrated with being let down by poor quality ute gear, products that cram in every last feature, to skimp on low quality imported components, or skip the basics such as robust tie rails, weatherproofing and security. GearForce changes that by leveraging Utemaster's design expertise and nearly 2 decades of experience. We've built a range that's strong, secure and robust. It's gear you can trust. Durable, dependable gear at a practical price. GearForce has been designed for tradies and adventurers alike. That's the GearForce ethos. We call it field ready. When it comes to security, there's no exposed latches for anyone to try and get in. Now this is important for 2 reasons. One is when you're dragging gear off the back of your lid, there's nothing for it to snag on. And secondly, it removes any tamper points for would-be thieves. With the Triton, we add a central locking module to the tailgate, which connects it to your vehicle's key fob. To get in, you simply press unlock, pop the tailgate, and lift the lid. Look at how easy that was. Hardly had to touch it. To pull it down, you simply pull on this handle, lock it, and you're good to go. The beauty of the 2-way patent-pending latching system is that it allows you to open and shut the tailgate when the lid is down. So this means if you've got a load on the lid, you don't have to try and lift the lid up or remove your load. You can simply open and shut it as you need to. It has a 200 kg load rating, which means you can really load it up for trips away. When it comes to the robust construction of this hard lid, the top is a 5052 grade aluminium 3mm tread plate, which coated in a robust powder coating. The side rails and interlocking inner frame are constructed from a highly tempered aluminium extrusion. This is all interlocked together in a robust way. The problem this is solving in the market is that a lot of side rails are either bolted or riveted down, which causes strength and security issues for when you're transporting your gear. This is a robust system you can trust. This hard lid has the most weatherproof seal in its class, and at the front of the lid it features a weather seal that ensures water runs off the lid between the tub and the cab. This is missing from most other hard lids in this category. If you have a bulky or awkward load and you need to remove your hard lid, it's easy to remove and refit later using the unique hinging system with a quick release. Every lid is backed by our 3-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind in your purchase. Through the week, load it and lock it. Carry tools, timber and equipment. On the weekend, throw on the swag, load up the gear for a trip away. Built tough, built smart. GearForce, field ready.